I woke up and something happened to my voice, but I wanted to make this video. Just give me a second. So I picked up the DJI Action 4 over Black Friday. I was looking for cameras to buy and looking at the technology deals, and I came across the Action 4. I know there's a lot of hype about the Action 5 and also the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Both of those cameras, there's a lot of reviews on them and people seem to enjoy them. But as I was looking, I saw some of the comments and they were saying, I still use my Action 4, and I was thinking, maybe I should look into Action 4s. And I saw some amazing videos by people from a year ago that were doing reviews on the Action 4. And to me, I was pretty impressed by it. So when I looked on Black Friday, I came across Costco. They had a combo pack, and it had a little tripod for it. It had the case for it, and it came with a memory card, and it was $200. And that kind of fit within my pocketbook, and I realized, why don't I give this a shot? I wanted to make this video. I'm not a professional videographer, not a professional photographer, anything like that. I don't really completely 100% understand all the technical aspects of cameras, but I felt like as a YouTuber or someone attempting YouTube, maybe it can be helpful to someone out there that's trying to find something as an alternate to a cell phone. If you're anything like me, I really enjoy filming video, but I also don't enjoy having a cell phone, shooting it out on the streets, and then, filming and people see me, and it just feels kind of weird. I guess because, I don't know, to me, cell phones, they feel a little more intrusive than having a standalone camera. When I shoot with a big camera, I also don't like that feeling because I feel almost a little too hardcore, a little too paparazzi. And the Action 4 is super discreet, especially with the little tripod. It's so small and it's so easy to bring along with you. It's very sturdy. I know that I can throw it in my bag. I'm not going to break it. And it's been a pleasure. Honestly, I feel like a criminal because it's way too good for $200. I'm going to show you some video clips that I shot, and hopefully it gives you an idea of what you can do as just an intermediate beginner type hobbyist that enjoys shooting videos. But right now, I just want to clarify, this is using the standard built-in mic from the camera. And when you see me again, I'm going to use another mic so you can see the difference. Check out these clips that I shot around my shop, and hopefully you're as pleased with it as I am. So I'm back this time with a wireless mic. I'm running the newer CM28 wireless mic with it. It attaches to the side with a USB-C port, and you can run an external mic. You can also use the DJI mic, which I think syncs up like perfectly. I don't have one, but I'm honestly really impressed with this camera. Even with the standalone mic, I honestly think it's really impressive. Definitely if you're vlogging, you're within range. It picks up really nicely. It sounds great. Even for filming little B-roll, you can get the little sounds from whatever you're shooting. It's really nice. It's impressive. If you were to ask myself, am I happy with my purchase? Like 100%. Do I think it's worth 200? 100%. Do I think it was even worth 400? Yeah, I honestly do. So I think the Action 5 is like $350 or something, and I would honestly say the Action 5 is probably really fantastic. If it's anything like the Action 4, zero complaints on my end. If you want something besides your cell phone, or you're looking for a camera, but you don't want to step into like the mirrorless range yet, the Action 4 is a phenomenal piece of equipment to just have. It's really fun to bring along. It's easy to bring along to trips. Easy if you want to vlog or just shoot little things that are fun. It's the perfect camera. I'm just barely using it for a few weeks now, and I'm so impressed. I can't see myself needing anything else for quite some time. There's so many things you can do with this. Right now, this is the talking head using the Action 4, and I honestly think it's pretty good. Like, I'm sure with additional lighting and little tweaks here and there, I could probably get the footage even better, but this is standard, the standard color profile, no color grading at all. The only extra thing that I added is this wireless mic, and if you heard the audio before, I don't even know if you need it for something like this. If you're out and about, I think wireless mics are cool. But hopefully you found some enjoyment from this. Hopefully it helps you at least putting action cameras on the radar, because I often think they're overlooked. And the one thing about the DJI, which is pretty awesome, is it has D-Log M. So it's a flatter color profile. If you're trying to learn how to color grade, or you want to get a little better at that kind of thing, I think it's a great way to start. I heard that it's not as like professional as like S-Log 3 or something, but it's really impressive, and I've made some pretty cool stuff with it. So hopefully you're willing to check it out, and until next time, keep on creating. Peace. I definitely got to drink some more tea.